What's up, guys? Welcome to the presentation. I'm just this is all about. So this is the Defining DeFi Hackathon. Uh, and my project is called the Voice Wallet, a voice wallet, which is a Google Assistant. Hey Google, AI DeFi voice wallet. So, as the name implies, it's actually the concept is about making a Google Assistant, voice Google Assistant. As you know that, there is a lot of Google Assistant out there around the world that is on the mobile phones, right? And also think about all the speakers that's out there that also have Google Assistant a sort of built in. So just to clarify further, this is completely built from scratch, and I've done that today. And I actually have a recording of a video of me hacking away for the video is like 4 or 5 hours long. But I will upload it after this thing because due to the crunch of time, I just want to make this video first. So the it's more like a proof of concept. I think I just bear with me because it's quite complex. There's a lot of things that's involved here, and during the hackathon, I just managed to come out with like kind of the rig, the initial kind of skeleton that is in there. But so to demonstrate what it can be done is actually a cross chain wallet. Well, it's supposed to be a cross chain wallet, and the functionality that I can demonstrate inside here is that you can say something like, "Hey Google, ask Voice Wallet to check my wallet balance," and it actually goes through a particular wallet address that you have, and it check all the related one. And this is based on the Moralis kind of a boilerplate that initially for onboarding. But I have to I was struggling a lot with that because I have to change a lot of things there to make it so that it's aware of the await and async. There was a lot of problems with that. Anyway, you'll find out in the the recording, the live coding that I did online. Which I will upload onto YouTube. So to without further ado, so I'll show you. So everything is actually running on the clouds, Google Cloud, and obviously it's because of Google. That's why I specifically choose Google. Uh, and as you can see here, I will so the repository is here. Yeah, the just a little bit of running. So about the running of the code, the process of submission to Google is not the same as like a normal app. It takes a lot of maybe even a couple of weeks, sometimes even 3 weeks, especially when it comes to DeFi and finance. They're a bit particular about that. So what I did is the whole source code is here, and you can just if you want for the adventurous one, you can try to compile and deploy. I can help you with that. But you need the Google Action accounts. You need a Firebase account. There's a few accounts that you need. Probably in the future, I will create a video for you, where you can actually test it out. So I will show you. So it works on a normal. So I don't have time actually to record it running actually on a Google device. So maybe they'll be after. But for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to show you on the simulator, which you can actually find here. Uh, so yeah, this was a recording of all the the live coding that I actually did. That's quite a long period of time. I tried to do it live on Twitch, but then there was not enough bandwidth and things like that to do it. So yeah, so once we actually built it and uploaded it, the thing you can do is just say something like talk to voice wallet, right? And you can speak it, talk to voice wallet, but because sorry, there's a lot of problems with my I mean my setup here, so it's not uh has something to do with the audio recording and stuff like that. So it's probably easier for me to just either type or just do that. But it works just a normal voice. I mean, that's how you talk to Google
All right,
anyway.
let's get the test version of Voice Wallet.
Welcome back to Voice
So
Wallet. How can I help you?
so it's a test version here. Does not mean it's on testnet. It's actually running on mainnet at the moment. So it's actually querying live blockchain data, and we actually the test version. The voice will well you welcome this is because this itself is a test version. When you publish it and goes live, then it becomes a live version, but it's actually running on mainnet. So it's checking Binance currently, Chronos. Well, we take a look here. So as you can see, this is a multimodal Nest device, so it actually will work on a Nest device. So if you have actually a screen, even on a normal Android screen that has a screen, you can actually show certain things. So you can actually voice it out, or if you want, you can actually click things in. And in the future, the idea is to come out with charts and pies, whatever, the charts like this, and it should work on the TV also. If you ever actually Google smart TV, Chromecast, and then actually you can actually show it on the screen. It's pretty cool. I'll run through a few videos of that running on the big TV. I had a projector here, but we'll probably show a bit later. So anyway, so you can say check my balance. So let me try to see whether I can speak it out. Check my balance.
Your balance is $134.244 on Ethereum. Your balance is $0.003 on Polygon. Your balance is $0 on Binance. Your balance is $0 on Avalanche. Your balance is $0 on Phantom. Your balance is $0 on Kronos. Your total balance is $0.
Yeah. So as you can see here, there's actually a little bit of a bug here, which I don't have time to debug because I need to submit this as fast as possible. What you saw there, obviously, it's just a demo because in reality, I will trim it down and make it a bit better so that it combines certain things like your balance is $0 on Binance and Avalanche and Phantom, and you can query specific chain if you want to. So, but that's again, it's not hard for me to come out from here because I've now done some of the rigging. So it's just a matter of just building a functionality and connect it to the things. And one of the things that I really want to try, but I couldn't get on Axela Network, is to try to move the USDC across, because I do that often between chains. So you can say something like, move the USDC from this chain to another chain. And the other thing also, the wallet creation, right? So the whole idea is to make it so it's so easy for people to know. Nobody needs to know anything about chains anymore. So you can say something like, if you want to wallet creation, it'll just pick up whichever the best kind of blockchain to actually do that. So so that's what I want to try to do. But one of the things that I want to try to highlight is also, it also brings about the voice wallet also allows people with disability, like if you can actually see, you can walk, and you can even type, but you can stuff, you can actually use it. So it's there's a lot of very big social aspects of this thing. So I'm hoping to actually push it through. As you know, or you may not know, that I've won the Filecoin Hackathon before, and the Ethereum Global before, but those two are more focused on Alexas. Whereas this one, because it's Google, I purposely recreate everything on Google to show that, well, it doesn't have to be a Google or Alexa, whatever. It can be anything, and even GPT-3 with the future, we'll be using it. Anyway, that's all for now. And I hope if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm always in the Moralis Discord channel. And the stuff that some of the simple stuff. So the only things as a kind of disclosure, the one that the one that's actually was currently running is just this one. But you can say it all in the different manners anyway, different angles, whatever. The AI will try to calculate what is the best thing that to match up the intent. And then these are the stuff that potentially I was about to run through, and it wouldn't take me long. I'd probably take me 1 day or 2 days from here onwards, but just we'd run out of time for the hackathon. So anyway, that's all. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy this, and like I enjoy actually making this, and thank you very much. I'll see you around.